Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a little something different here. Instead of my usual haul videos or review videos, I'm gonna be doing what I'm selling in my closet. So expect these maybe once a week to once a month. I haven't worked out the kinks. So far these are some of the items that I'm selling. The rest will be posted on the website, and it's gonna be Poshmark. If you guys don't know already, I'm a seller on eBay and Poshmark. When it comes to Poshmark though, so I opened my account initially in 2012 and I let it be, and then the other day I signed back into my account and I see that I have hundreds of followers. I'm like, where the hell did all these followers come from? So I was like, I have a lot of clothes I need to get rid of because I got some new stuff. So it's either I get rid of it or I can't get more stuff. That's like my new thing. Every time that I buy clothes, I have to get rid of something. Also, some of these I have footage of from my past hauls. I will include that in here. These pants are from H&M. I think they are called trousers, not joggers, but they feel like joggers. They are ankle length. Ankle length, pocket right here, waistband. This is an extra large from the beginning, and I've lost some weight since that video. I would say if it's loose, it's not as tight as I would like it to be. Just letting you know. For reference, I do wear size 16 through 18 bottoms. It depends. Yeah, so they have zippers here, and you can tuck these in boots. Again, I will link that video so you guys can see what it looks like. And these two I actually just got and they don't fit me. They are thrifted items, which I think you guys should do more of, honestly. It's great that we have all of these fashion trends, but a lot of them are recycled. There's nothing new. It just comes and goes in different times. And yeah, so I decided to just start shopping from the thrift store. There's a lot of stuff my size. I don't have to fill the landfills with useless junk that we don't use. So just be conscious of that. Try to be good to the planet. As human beings, we don't care about anything but ourselves. I'm so upset. I'm upset. Like I said, right now, I usually wear a 16 in bottoms, and these are barely stretchy. So my trousers, like the ones from like Old Navy and stuff, they are 16. I am a little bit bigger than when I bought those. Those are from like 2015, I think. Well, a lot bigger, and they still fit me. So maybe it's the stretch in there, but these didn't fit me at all. These are from Eloquii, and Eloquii is like a higher end brand for plus size girls, so even higher end than ModCloth. These are a 16 wide. 16 wide, and these are, so this is called the curvy fit. I would say it's like a mix between a wide leg and a boot cut. They have these cute little buttons here. I like that detail, that's different. You don't have to use these for work on. You don't have to go without the print. Yeah, so the pockets don't work on the front. The ones on the back are working pockets. You have belt loops. These have never been worn. You guys will see these in my Fabletics haul. So these guys right here don't fit. They fit, just not the way that I want to. I don't like exposing parts of my lower half like that. These are from Fabletics. They're an XXL. XXL, I believe it's 16-18. Yeah, it is 16-18 because their extra large is a 14, just FYI. The holes still has a liner on. This garment is made with fabric. It's made in Italy. It has UV protection, and it's called, Valentino. So this is a peplum top right here. This is an extra large from Rue 21. It has like a little mesh insert here, mesh see-through with, I want to say that's kind of like tribal. It's really good for the warm weather, and if you feel like it's too sheer for you, I would just do a bralette or a cami and you'll be good to go. Next up is also from Rue 21. So this is one of the cultural tops. This is in a size 1X. It's really comfy. This is more like a seasonal top for me. I'm just over it, basically. It feels pretty good. No, it's not sheer at all. It's 1X. It fits really comfortably. You can wear this with shorts, jeans, tucked in or tucked out, with a skirt. And if you don't want the cold shoulder effect, you can always wear it like this. I wear it like that sometimes. Kind of like a calf sleeve. This guy here is also a 1X. If you guys watch my Smile Direct Clip video, the photo is this shirt here. This is also a cultural top. This is from Massimo. It has a bell sleeve. It has embroidery. It's like a linen material. Also good for warm weather. I wore this as a cover up for my bathing suit. And by the way, I will try to steam it before I send it off. This one is one of my favorites. Now this is a size large from Forever 21, and if you have really large breasts, then don't go for this. Like, this is an example. This dress is 1X, and I literally had to tie it so tightly because the chest area is extremely loose, but it's tight. So if you have a large chest, this will not fit you. I am 40C, and I feel like my chest is pretty small. This is, like I said, cold shoulder top. This is a size large. Also has a bell sleeve. This shirt, I would wash it on a delicate cycle because of these little pink tassels do come off. It's just really comfortable. It looks really cute on, you guys will see. But I bought some stuff, so I have to make room. I think this is second to last bell sleeve. Now this is a tiered ruffle bell sleeve top from H&M. One of my favorite tops. You will also see this, I think, in one of my very first videos. Super cute top, very comfortable. This is made from like linen, and this part is made from just cotton. And this is an extra large. So yeah, this is from my corporate days. And this is a size 18 Merona. So I'm just letting you guys know, if you're a true 18, it won't fit you. When I initially got this, I was 14, 16, and it barely fit me then. This hits me right above the knee. It's a seersucker dress from Merona, size 18. You do have a long zipper here at the back, and the lining is not itchy at all. I think it's like polyester. It does have like the tiniest slit. You don't have to wear this for work. Wear this, I don't know, 4th of July. Put some sandals on, you can go to the movies, anywhere you want to go. This shirt I have worn the crap out of. It's one of my favorites. I've had it since, God, I want to say 2014. It's in pretty good condition. It's a thicker material from Forever 21. This is a 1X. And I did have this when I was a smaller size. But I think there's enough stretch in here that if you are a 16, 18 in the top, you'll probably fit in here. It has a gold zipper in the back. And yeah, just a regular old peplum. I really love the material though. It's thick, 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 thick. This shirt, I feel so bad. I got this for one of my birthdays like a few years ago, and I've only worn it twice. Now, this is a petite extra large. However, listen to me, there's nothing petite about me. I'm 5'7", but it is pretty long and I have long legs. The top fits like a normal top will fit me. However, there is a pink slip cami underneath, and that is a true petite size shirt. So just be mindful of that. You can wear anything else under it or nothing. I don't know how you guys roll. It's a good material. It's not like that cheap lace. It's a little bit thicker. I think this is from Macy's or JCPenney's. It doesn't, there's no tag on here. So this one, I think I've worn maybe 2. Like I said, most of these items I've worn 2 to 3 times, most of them. This is from Catherine Melandrino, extra large. Just a cute little dress. It's very flowy. I'm 5'7". It fits me a little short. So I don't know, if you're okay with that, you're okay with that. I would say about like 1.5 inches above my knees. So if you're okay with that length, I mean, again, all these items you could like tuckers. Like this one, you could use as a tunic and wear it with leggings and not as a dress. Covers everything in the back. Like you don't have your fat hanging out. That shirt on my H&M haul. New tags. Yeah, it's a blue lace shirt. It's extra large. They're really comfy. Wear with everything. This dress has been worn twice, and once was in a video that I will link. So it's about 2 to 3 inches above my ankles. It's from Old Navy, and it's a cold shoulder, and it has this cute little tie waist belt that comes with it, and there's like little loops here. And this is an extra large. Yeah, I wore this for that video, and I wore it on my birthday to go shopping. This was my shopping dress. Moving on, this guy I've worn, let's say maybe a handful of times at the max. This is also from H&M. You will see this in the last haul video. And I want to say it's a dress. Oh, I bought it as a shirt, but it has the length to be a dress. It is very short if you decide to wear it as a dress. I would wear shorts. You can do leggings, or I thought it was really cute. This is how I worked to IKEA the other day. You could either wear it like this and then you make up a little knot, and you can tuck it in. Well, I didn't wear it like that, I tucked it in my pants. Get into jeans. The sleeves have buttons, so you can roll it up, leave it open however you want, or closed. And this is a size 14. Again, I'm a 40C and I wear 16, 18. This is very big, like it's huge. So if you have a big chest, if you have big arms, which I wouldn't say my arms are huge, I just have a lot of loose skin, this will fit you. Even if you have bigger arms, it will fit you because it fits me pretty loose. This guy is a peasant top. Now, if you're into fashion, you know that peasant dresses and peasant tops are going to be in for fall 2018 this year. If you want a peasant top, here you go. It has beading around the 2 arms and right here in the front. And it has, I don't know what this is. I do know what it is, I just can't remember. But this is really cute during fall and winter to wear with boots and jeans. And this is super casual. Just tight right here. From the brand Exhilaration, size extra large. Kind of brings back memories. I scored this job that I really wanted as a sales analyst. So this is from Russell Kemp, and this is an extra large. It's a pretty good brand. Decent material. I've had it for a few years now. I don't really think, oh, it does have that little keyhole back, a little button back here. I do love the beading work up here. I do have a photo and I'll enter that for you guys. This one I can't believe I'm giving away too. It is a cold shoulder top and I've had it for a while, but it's so comfortable and it's from Old Navy. This is a size large though. So you have bigger chest, bigger arms, it won't fit you. It is pretty short though. I will include photos. It's a little wrinkled right now. It has like a little braiding detail right here and it's completely black. Again, size large. This one you guys have seen me wear, and it is pretty sheer though, so just FYI. This is a 1X, really comfy. It has a small bell sleeve. This one you can also wear as complete cold shoulder, or you can just put it up. I like it with jeans the most. Oh, and I think I wore it to the Dodgers games. I would say it's unisex. I like wearing men's clothes sometimes. I know it's a little weird. This is an extra large. Now for my babes that like to wear sweatshirt, this is an extra large. It's a Tommy Hilfiger, I think 4 screen. Now what to say, it's in pretty good condition. I think this is the one that I don't want to give up the most. If you like tweed, you know, if you like that whole Chanel look, I know that for us bigger girls, it's a lot harder to get these type of items. So when I saw this, my little heart raced so fast. I was like, I need this right now. Unfortunately, even though I got it, it's bigger than my house. It doesn't fit. So I got this one because I knew that tweed is stiff. I didn't know how stiff. This is an 18 wide from Worthington. And it's a tweed pencil skirt. God, it's just so cute. Like, looking at it right now, I'm just so mad that it doesn't fit. That's how much I wanted this. Great condition. It has the tiniest slit back here. It comes with this belt, which is removable. You have your zipper back here, and it has a little clasp back there. It hits the knee, to right at the knee. It's not a pretty big bottom, I would say. It's pretty wide, and it didn't fit. So these you've seen before. I will link them. I have a wide foot, perfect for you. If you have a fat foot, perfect for you. But in the beginning, it did make like some noise, I guess because there was so much foam in there. Other than that, I don't think there's anything dusty as fuck.
It won't take long when there's a song.
These, I'm so disappointed. Also came with that haul. These have to be the cutest black shoes I've seen in a while. They are from H&M, again size 10 or 40. Now there is, you can't see it that much, but there is a little neck right there and in the very inside. Now these, if you have a wide foot, they won't fit you. To be quite frank, I think anybody who's a size 9, I mean a size 10 might fit into this depending how narrow their foot is. I have a wide foot and actually none of my shoes are for people with wide feet, but this is one of those pairs that just didn't work. So it's not tweed, but it does have the look of tweed. It has cute little fringe right here, and it's a rounded heel. I just think these are perfect for any event, any season, and they have weight to them. Good quality from what I could tell so far. So if you are a size 10 with a narrow foot, or I would say 9 and 9.5 with a regular foot, maybe this will fit you guys. Yeah, so guys, that's it for this what I'm selling in my Poshmark closet, or really what I'm selling or shop my closet. I'm not sure what title I want to put yet. That's it for the video. If you guys like these items, let me know. Go to my Poshmark. I hope that you liked this video. You like this cute dress, which by the way, this is from ModCloth. And head over to my Poshmark. Yeah, chat with me. Go to my Poshmark, go to my Instagram. Let's hang out, shop my closet. Thanks for being here.